Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to add birthdays to Google Calendar on phone. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To add and remove birthdays, holidays, and other calendars, this is to show you that birthdays and holidays are automatically added to your calendar, so you never miss an opportunity to celebrate. You can also add other calendars such as phases of the moon and sports team schedules. But for birthdays, to add birthdays to your calendar, add the person to Google Contacts. So just to show you, let's go to Contacts and let me show you my brother's contacts. So here, it is included his birthday. So it's in April 26. So let's go back to calendar. And let's go to April 26. So there, as you can see, his name is already on the notification. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!